Welcome everyone. Which is the world's largest land carnivore? Tiger, polar bears, giant panda? And the answer is polar bears. Which is the world's largest spider? Goliath bird eater, giant huntsman, Brazilian wandering spider? And the answer is Goliath bird eater. Which is the world's largest rainforest? Daintree, the Amazon, the Congo? And the answer is the Amazon. Which is the deepest part of the ocean? Tonga Trench, Philippine Trench, Mariana Trench? And the answer is Mariana Trench. Which is the most poisonous fish in the world? Pufferfish, stonefish, blowfish? And the answer is stonefish. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video update. Thanks for watching.